Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Corolla, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you have one of those and you need to find where the third brake light fuse is located, if your third brake light does not work, always check that fuse. We'll explain where you can find it, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays with a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's important to always test fuses and relays, all that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we'll be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. So the third brake light fuse, where you can expect to find it, we'll demonstrate on that generation Toyota Corolla here. Now, you guys have multiple fuse boxes in that car, and today we'll be working just one. That's on the driver's side. Open the driver door. If you look under the dash on the left side, all the way on the bottom of the dash, look upside down, you'll find a fuse box with a layout that will look like this one. Open that cover now guys, and that's what the fuses will look like. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here we need to check two fuses for the third brake light. Oh, by the way, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Toyota Corolla or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste money and time. The first fuse that you need to check, it's 1, 2, 3, fuse number 3 right here. That's the one that you need to check. Then here it's 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Fuse number 23 is for the third brake light as well. Those are the main fuses that you need to check. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.